Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Microsoft account that owns the Xbox Live Gold subscription. This is essential because only the subscription owner can cancel. Once signed in, go straight to Account Services. Don't navigate Xbox menus first. You need to locate Subscriptions or Services and Subscriptions. This step shows what is active and the next billing date. If you can't sign in, reset the password now, because you won't be able to cancel without access. Now that you're in Services and Subscriptions, scan the list for Xbox Live Gold or the Game Pass Ultimate Bundle, because sometimes Gold is included there. Once found, click Manage. This is where cancellation options live. You'll see choices like turn off recurring billing or cancel. Choose the one that stops future charges. If offered a prorated refund or credits, read the details. They vary by payment method and region, so make a clear choice before confirming. Finish by confirming the cancellation. You should select Turn off recurring billing or Confirm Cancel so you won't be charged at the next cycle. After that, check your email for a cancellation confirmation and verify the next billing date is gone. If the subscription persists or charges occur, sign back in, revisit Services and Subscriptions, and recheck status. If that fails, contact Microsoft support with your order number. They can reverse accidental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.